Hello guys, Brad Jimenez of Eastern Long Island Sound Fishing, and welcome to my channel. So obviously this video is not related to fishing. However, I just want to share how I hardwire my dash cam on 2022 Ford Explorer Timberline. I don't see a lot of videos out there, so hopefully this helps. So what I have here is a Garmin Dashcam Tandem. So it has both front and rear facing cameras, and of course the quickest way to power this is using the power cord that came with it, and then you plug it into the 12-volt socket. And the thing though is the line would just go through here, or you can still tuck in the line around here and then plug it to the 12-volt socket. But the problem with that is the power goes through when the vehicle is running. So if you want to power your dash cam, like let's say you want it recording all throughout, even when your engine is off, then this is how you're gonna do it. So what I'm gonna be using is also a Garmin. So this is the Garmin constant power cable, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so this plugs in to your OBD socket, okay, which is usually located underneath the driver's side dash, okay, usually on the left side. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is using this power cord that came with the dash cam. I'm going to tuck in the line here, going through here, so hiding the line so it's neat, and then down here, then okay through here, and ultimately through here, and ultimately I'm gonna plug it in the OBD right there. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we'll start. So first, all right, let's plug it in so we can measure how much slack we need. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna tuck it in there right here underneath this panel. Then be useful to have this prying tool. Make sure not using a screwdriver, because that can easily damage your and scratch your panels. So nice and slow. Oh, you can use your finger. Yeah, there you go. I can just use my finger. Okay, tuck it in there. There you go. All right. Okay, there you go. See this? Sure, I have enough slack here, and I'm gonna tuck it in there. Okay, look at that. Very nice. Okay, next, I tuck it underneath this ceiling here. Now when you get to here, now you have to run the cord here underneath, in between the panel here. You can remove the rubber seal here, and Just right, the line between the panel. Okay. So it's very useful to have a prying tool. Okay, good, there you go, nicely tucked in. Okay, now we're gonna go to the A pillar. Keep going. Now this panel needs to come off. Okay, so just remove the rubber seal. There you go. So, nice and easy. There you go. Okay, good. So in the end, it's a USB-A, so just plug it in there. Okay. There you go. Now we have to get, now we gotta tuck in this wire here. There you go. Good. Okay, let's wrap it. So we're gonna secure the connection with the electrical tape. Okay, now, right, that's a secure connection. Okay, now let's just we're just gonna zip tie the excess line or the excess cord. Okay, we're gonna get a zip tie. We're all good before we tie it up. Okay. There you go. Cut the excess zip tie. Just be careful not to cut the cord. There you go. Right. Nicely. There you go. There you go, that'll do it. Okay. Good. And I'm just gonna put it to, so it says 10 minutes, so I'm assuming after 10 minutes this will turn off. So you have the 24 hours and the continuous mode. I don't need to put it on 24 hours or continuous mode because my car's in the garage. I don't think the likelihood of me getting hit in here in the garage is you know, it's very unlikely. Okay, there you go. Let's put it back. Let me put the panels back. So this part of the panel goes right here, okay? So we're gonna line it up first. Okay. Let's line up the panel first. Okay. Let's use the prying tool. There you go. Okay, there you go. Good right there. All right, turn this panel here. Oh. Make sure. All right, done. Okay, as you can see, right, the power cord is stuck. Yeah, it's tucked in neatly. There you go. So right there. So it went through here, then down to the A-pillars. Okay, and over here, underneath this panel, and there's the where it plugs into the OBD. So, okay, there you go. Took me maybe total of about, I would say, roughly 15 minutes to install it. Okay, if you like the video, please hit the like button. Please feel free to leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you.